Welcome to MB Suite. In this tutorial, we're covering the foundation of the whole product, integrations and data sources. You'll find them in the sidebar under Settings. Before MB Suite can show you a single number from your campaigns, it needs two things. First, permission to connect to your platforms. That's an integration. And second, to know exactly which account on each platform to use. That's a data source. It sounds similar, but they're two distinct steps, and in a minute, it'll be crystal clear. Let's start with integrations. Each card is a platform MB Suite can connect to. Google Ads, Meta, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google Analytics, Search Console, Business Profile, YouTube, WhatsApp, and more. And here's something important I want you to notice right away. These are all official, native integrations. MB Suite connects directly to each platform's own API with your permission. No scrapers, no copy and paste, no third-party tools. That means reliable, real-time, secure data. The ones in green are already connected. You can see who connected them and when. Connecting a platform is a single click. You press Connect on its card, the platform's own official window opens, Google's, Meta's, whichever. You authorize access, and that's it. MB Suite is connected. It never sees or stores your password. Everything goes through each platform's secure sign-in. When a connection expires, the card lets you know, and you reconnect in one click. And a single connection can give you access to several accounts. Notice how some let you add more than one. That brings us to the second step. Here's the second step: data sources. Once a platform is connected, you almost always have access to several accounts or properties. Think of an agency managing 20 Google Ads clients under a single login. On this screen, you pick exactly which one to use for this workspace, which Google Ads account, which Google Analytics property, which Meta Ad account, and so on for each. Each card shows you the chosen account with its identifier, and with Modify, you can change it anytime. This tells MB Suite precisely where to pull your numbers from. And there's a special case worth showing: WhatsApp. With almost every platform, you pick an account from a list, but a WhatsApp number can arrive in three very different ways, and MB Suite asks you which one is your case. The first: you already run that number from the WhatsApp business app on a phone, and you want to use it here too. That's coexistence. The app stays alive, and you also bring in your history and contacts. The second: it's a number that already lives in your business manager and already sends through the API. And the third: it's a brand new number that never had WhatsApp. You choose your situation in plain words, and MB Suite handles the rest behind the scenes. And that's the whole model, in two steps. The integration is the permission, the secure pipe to the platform, and the data source is which specific account flows through that pipe. Once you've set this up, everything else in MB Suite just works. Your dashboards, your reports, your alerts, each one knows which account to pull data from because you defined it right here. You set it up once, and the rest of the product feeds itself. That's the starting point for every new account.